I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about the process for a facelift procedure here at Cosmetic Surgery Associates. On the morning of the procedure, you'll come to the office where a full set of vital signs will be obtained. Your history and physical that's been performed by your doctor will also be reviewed, and you'll also be examined again by the physician. Most often, we are able to do our facelift procedure without using general anesthesia. We use what's called a local with sedation, or sometimes called a twilight anesthesia. Before the procedure begins, you're given some medications that can make you sleepy and tired and really relaxes you. An IV is started to give supplemental IV medication as you need it. In the operating room, there's a full sterile prep and draping that's performed. After the prepping and draping is performed, incisions are made. One around or inside each ear that goes back into the hairline, and often there's a small incision underneath each chin. Through those incisions, the skin is elevated off the face for a modest distance. The deeper SMAS layer, or SMAS layer, is then tightened. That gives you an elevation to the face and helps remove the jowls and the looseness over the lower cheek and neck area. The tightening of the SMAS layer is what gives the facelift its longevity. Patients most often have a result that can last 10, 12, or 14 years. After the deeper layers are tightened, the excess skin is removed and the incisions are closed with dissolvable sutures. We then place on a head wrap dressing that you keep on overnight. You're allowed to go home. We ask that you keep your head elevated the first night, but the next morning you can take that dressing off and you can shower and shampoo. Our patients sometimes don't take pain medication, but sometimes if they do, it might be for a day or two. At Cosmetic Surgery Associates, our philosophy is to give a very natural look with the facelift procedure. Of course, patients want to see results. They want to see the improvement of the jowls and the cheek and the neck and the jawline. But we want to give you that result that looks exceptionally natural and it doesn't look like you've had surgery. At Cosmetic Surgery Associates, we know how to achieve that natural result.